In this section of the course, we will learn about input, conditional statements, and loops. By the end of this section, you will have an understanding of obtaining and responding to user input, controlling the flow of execution of the code with conditional statements, and using loops to execute code multiple times. First, we will learn about cin and the extraction operator. Then we will learn about if, else statements. After that will come a coding exercise testing our knowledge of if, else statements, which will be followed by a video explaining the solution to the coding exercise. Next, we will learn about switch statements. After that will come a coding exercise on switch statements, and then an answer and explanation video for that coding exercise. Then we will learn about for loops, and then test our understanding of the topic with a coding exercise, which will be followed by a video explaining the solution to the coding exercise. After that, we will learn about while loops, and in a similar fashion we will complete a coding exercise, and then take a look at the solution to it in the subsequent video. A variation of the while loop is the do while loop, which we will learn about next. Then we will learn about goto. After that, we will learn about pointers. Next, we will learn about arrays, and then test our knowledge with a coding exercise on the topic. Then we will learn about vectors, and then test our knowledge with a coding exercise. At the end of this section, we will look at key takeaways from what we learned, take a quiz to test our knowledge, and then go over the answers and explanations to the quiz questions.